Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey.
Dear students, today's lesson is about helping verbs. Is, are, am. Helping verbs are verbs that help the main verb in a sentence. Is a singular helping verb. Are is a plural helping verb. Am is the first person singular helping verb. Is. The cat is on the mat. The sun is shining. Are. The boys are playing. The birds are flying. Am. I am eating. I am drinking. Thank you. See you in the next lesson.